Hi everyone, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to record the market replay session. And this time I'm going to be using an automated strategy using engulfing bars. So if you don't know what engulfing bars are sometimes give the indication that the trend will continue. For example, if price is in an uptrend, you'll notice a slight pullback. And this is shown by the wick. So the wick will extend below the open of the previous candle. This means that the sellers are trying to push the price down. And I'm talking about in the uptrend. So you notice that the wick will extend the open of the previous candle, right? Because sellers are trying to push the price down. But buyers have more control, so they'll push the price up. And you'll see on the chart, those are shown in those lime green color candles, and then on the downtrend it'll show pink color candles. So you see I just took a trade. Well, the automated strategy just took a trade.
Order submitted.
So just to continue,
order filled.
I'm using 100 take profit with 2 contract. When the first target is reached, the second stop loss moves to break even with an offset of +2. This means that when I reach my first take profit, I've already locked in $500 profit. Since this is the NQ, that's $5 times 100 tick. The second stop loss immediately moves to break even. Break even is where I initially took the trade, my first trade, plus an extra 2 ticks. That's $10. So I've already altogether locked in $510. So I cannot lose any more money after this point. So as long as price moves in my direction, the stop loss that was moved 2 ticks after the break even, it follows the current price. So this is what's called a trading stop loss, or some people call it the runner. Eventually the trend, it can't continue anymore, so it pulls back, and this is where I get stopped out. And so this is where my trading ends. So of course the automated strategy will continue looking for engulfing bars and take other trades. So I'm gonna go ahead. Well, I did speed up the video, and so it's not too long and it's not too fast, so you're able to see all the trade that the automated strategy did take. So I encourage you to watch the video all the way through, so you can see all the total. So you can see the total profits at the end. Also, please just take 2 minutes of your time to smash the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video.
Submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
So right here, I just took the automated strategy just took the second trade. And so when it reaches 100 take profit, like I've explained before, the second stop loss will move up to break even +1. And will continue to trail the price as long as price is moving in that direction. So here my first take profit just reached, and so that stop loss is going to move when price moves up. So at some point the trend will stop and it'll pull back, and once it pull back, it'll hit my stop loss
Order filled.
right here. So I'm going to let the automated strategy continue running, and I'm going to let it run until when the market is closed at 4:30 and see if there are any other trades that it takes. So we have one more hour before the close of the trading session. So yeah, we've just reached 4:30. So this is where I would have ended my trading for today if I was trading live, but this is market replay. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it. So again, the total profit for these two trades was $3,245. This is based on the automated strategy taking trades off the engulfing bar. So there were two trades here taken. To contract and with a runner. So again, I want to thank you again for watching my video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.